Hi guys and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be teaching you a new bank nifty and nifty future trading strategy without any indicators. Yes, so this strategy is very simple and you guys don't need any indicators. Okay, so I'll be teaching you the strategy and also I'll be telling you like what is the target you need to keep and what is the stop loss you need to keep and everything about bank nifty and nifty future strategy. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding the strategy for bank nifty and nifty future. Okay, so this is an intraday trading strategy, so I'll be telling you like where to enter, where to keep your target, stop loss and everything in this video. So watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this strategy. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be guiding you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let me talk about the strategy itself. Okay, so this strategy can be used for bank nifty and also the nifty future trading. Okay, so as I said, there is no need of any indicators, but you have to keep 30 minutes candle chart. Okay, so as you guys can see here, you have to keep the 30 minutes candle chart, which is important. And after putting 30 minutes candle chart, what you have to observe is you should observe the fourth candle in a day which is formed at 30 minutes candle. Okay, that is at 30 minutes time frame, the fourth candle which is formed, that is at 10:45. Okay, so you need to observe this 10:45 candle chart. Okay, so 10:45 candle start, which will start at 10:45 and end at 11:15. Okay, so don't get confused here. The 10:45 candle which starts, which it will end at 11:15. Got it? And now you have to open this chart at 11:15, and once you open this at 11:15, the fourth candle formation will be completed. So you need to check after the fourth candle formation is completed. Now what you have to do is you have to mark the high and low of the fourth candle. Got it? So mark the high and the low. Now after marking, if the high breaks, you will buy it. Okay, so you will buy it once the high breaks, or if the low breaks, you will short sell. Got it? So this is how you have to take a trade. And here for the example, let me tell you, so the high is 21999.85 and the low is 21925.3, and when you're taking a trade, you can keep 1 point buffer. That is, if the high breaks, you can buy, and if the low breaks, you can sell. So here in this example, as you can see, the low is been triggered and the sell side target is hit. So 21925 is a low, and you will be entering at 21924. Okay, so just keep 1 point buffer before you enter, and you can keep the target up to 100 points or 150 points. Okay, 100 or 150 points target can be kept here, and the stop loss can be almost 50 or 60 points stop loss can be kept here. Okay, so according to this strategy, so you can try this out. And to increase a little bit of accuracy, what you can do is, so let me just show you some of the days example what will happen. Okay, so some days, okay, so in this example, so this is the candle, so this is the fourth candle. Okay, so the 1045 candle, and this is the high and this is a low of a candle. Okay, so here as you guys can see, the high just touched. Okay, so the high is like 22425 and the low is 22368.85. and here what happened is the high just got touched by this wicks and the stock came down. I mean the bank nifty future came down. So how can you avoid this kind of wrong entries? Okay, so this kind of wrong entries can be avoided by seeing the market depth. Okay, so now how to use this market depth data, so I'll tell you guys. Okay, so once you mark the high and low, okay, so let's say you're trading today and you mark the high and low and you're waiting for the breakout to happen, and when you're watching this breakout, you have to also keep in mind to see the market depth, total number of buyers and total number of sellers. Okay, so if the numbers here, if the buyers are high, then wait for the buy side breakout to happen, and if the sellers are more, wait for the sell side breakout to happen. Got it? So that means if the buyers are more than sellers, then wait for the buy side to get triggered. If the sellers are more than the buyers, then wait for the sell side to get triggered. So this is how you need to observe. Okay, so that time you can avoid the false entry. The false breakout can be identified by using this market depth trick. Okay, so now let me show you some of the nifty futures example so that you will understand. So you can use this all on nifty futures also, as I said you. So let me show you some of the example of nifty futures. So again the same thing. So the fourth candle, okay, you have to consider the fourth candle. Okay, so now this is the fourth candle, that is the 1045th. Okay, so again 30 minutes candle chart what you can see, and at 1045 you will mark the high and low of the candle. This is the high and this is the low, and once the high breaks you will buy, or if the low breaks you will sell. Okay, so the high is 11364 and the low is 11340.75. so here also you can keep 1 point buffer between your entry whatever you do, and as you can see in the next candle the low got broke and the target is achieved. So here in nifty future you can keep a target up to 50 to 60 points. Okay, and you can keep the stop loss almost like a 30 or 40 point stop loss can be kept for doing trading on nifty futures. Okay, so you guys can do a back testing on this and let me know how you feel about this strategy. Okay, and even for nifty 50 future also you guys need to check the market depth data here. Okay, so the same thing, if the buyers are more than the sellers, then go for a buying trade. Okay, or if the sellers are more than the buyers, then go for a short selling trade. Okay, so that's how you guys can consider the trade. Okay, so many people ask like if whether it will go for a buy side or a sell side when we upload this kind of strategy. So many people have this question when we tell this breakout kind of thing, so they will think like how can they know whether the stock will go up or come down. So you can just see it by a market depth. Okay, just see the market depth and see which side the strength is more. Okay, so in the market depth, if the buyers are more than the sellers, then go for a buying trade. Okay, if the sellers are more than the buyers, then go for a short selling trade. So that's how you can easily identify it. So this is the strategy, so you guys can back test it and let me know how you guys feel about this strategy. Okay, and also if you guys want to learn 90 to 95% accuracy strategy, you can join my course. In my course I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks, 90 to 95% accuracy strategies, and how you guys can make consistent profit. So all these things I'll be teaching you in my course. Okay, so if you're interested to join my course, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from. So guys, if you like the strategy, do give a like for this video and also share this video, and if you guys have any doubt or question, do leave it in a comment section of this video. Okay, and also if you're new to my channel, go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.